Good morning, everybody. Hope you're all doing well. Now, today, let's start first class to discuss about SAP. So, we'll start from scratch. First, I'll explain you the lesson one. The definition of SAP and how it works and what is it. And once we finish the class, at the end of the class, you can ask your questions, your doubts, and then I'll give you answer accordingly. So, let's start. What is SAP? In fact, SAP is a software, and it is a short form. The full form is System, Application and Product for Data Processing. Now, what type of software SAP is? SAP is nothing but an ERP software. So, to know SAP, since it is a kind of software which is ERP, so we need to know what is ERP. ERP represent enterprise, resource and planning. Enterprise, resource and planning. So, in a short word, in a layman's word, in a simple word, we can say that it is a software which helps us in planning how to utilize the resources which belong to a particular enterprise, that is organization. This is the simple definition or the business definition. But if you go technically, ERP is generally it is an integrated software. What does it mean? It means an enterprise, an organization will have many departments for its run to run it properly. For example, purchasing department, sales department, finance department, marketing department. Okay, so the day of the enterprise or organization starts with different activities or different departments. Purchasing at one hand, another hand, marketing of its product, at other place, sales of its products and services, and at other hand, recording of all its transaction in order to find the loss and revenue. Profit and loss. So that's nothing but finance department. Now, different departments will have different activities. So how to integrate all these things? Like what happened at purchasing side, and what happened at sales side, and what happened at marketing side at the same time, and how all these transactions are recorded at finance side. So for to know all these things, we need to have an integration among these different activities. It means among these different departments. So for that reason, companies go for an ERP type of software, that is called as Enterprise Resource and Planning Software. So SAP is one among them. SAP is not the only one ERP. There are many other ERPs like MS Dynamics is there, Oracle ERP applications are there. Okay, and Barn is there, is also a type of ERP application. PeopleSoft is there, it's also a type of ERP application. One among them is SAP. But SAP is a tightly integrated suite. It's very tightly integrated among all the departments. Means it binds all the transactions from all the departments, which gives a best control over the business. That's the reason it's very famous in the market, and big running businesses which needs high level of control and productivity and clarity about its transaction, about its data. For that reason, they go for SAP. So what type of software is SAP is? Yeah, yeah, it's an ERP software. Okay, fine. So we have done one definition part of SAP. Okay, do you have any questions? Okay, fine. You don't have any questions. Okay, so we are done for this. And then since our video will go longer, so we'll stop here, and then we'll meet again in new video for a next topic. Okay, thank you, thanks all, thank you very much.